Hello everyone, I'm Saurabh Sharma, Assistant Professor at ST College of Commerce, and today we are going to start a new topic of the corporate accounting, that is underwriting commission. We started this chapter in the class, but today we are going to start this chapter in the videos also. Firstly, I have to tell you that what is the meaning of underwriting. Underwriter basically a broker who sells the share, or we can say that underwriter is a mediator. Okay, let me tell you what the underwriter is with the help of an example. Wait, wait a second. Okay, let's start. For example, for example, company name means RIL. RIL, Reliance India Limited, want to issue share 1 lakh shares of rupees 10 each. But as you know, there is a rule of minimum subscription that if the company is issuing share and offering shares to the public, offering share to the public, there is a rule of minimum subscription. What is the rule of minimum subscription? That 90% of issued share, 90% of the 90% application for the issued share must be there with the company. It means if the 90% of application is not received by the company, then it will not comply the minimum subscription rule. And if company is not able to comply the minimum subscription rule, in that case the company have to refund the application money and the issue is cancelled. As I'm repeating, when the company issue share, the application received on in against the issued share must be the up to 90%, minimum 90%. If 90% application is not received, in that case issue will be cancelled and company have to repay the money. Okay, and we have Reliance Limited issue 10,000 share of rupees 10 each. The company has a secret fear that it may be minimum subscription is qualify or not. If company doesn't get the minimum subscription, the whole effort of the company is wasted. So to qualify the minimum subscription rule, company issue share not to the public only, but to the mediator also. Mediator, we call it the contractor. Contractors, not contractor but contractors. Companies, there are many. Company gave a contract to sell 50,000 shares, or you can 80,000 shares to the public and 20,000 directly to the public. Okay, company gave a contract to the different contractor to sell their 80,000 share on commission basis. It means these contractor this sell this share to the general public. General public. Okay. Okay. These share will sell by the contractor to the general public, and in return company will pay commission to the contractor. It means contractors are the brokers of the share who work on the commission basis and who sell the shares of company on commission basis to the public. But this is the simple scenario, and simple contractor or simple salesman or commission agent work. but there is a special kind of thing in case of share. We do not call it contractor. We do not call it contractor. In case of share, we call them underwriters. Underwriter. What it means? It means if the share is not taken by the public, then underwriter must buy the share. It means underwriter bind themselves in a contract that if the 80,000 shares it not purchased by the company, it is the underwriter itself who have to buy this contract. Okay, let's take an 2 3 example. Suppose share subscribed by the public is 50,000. Company gave the contract to sell the shares of 80,000 rupees, and underwriter sell only 50,000 share. In that case 30,000 share will have to buy must buy the underwriter. Okay, and in case the public bought only 60,000 rupees, in that case 20,000 share must be by the underwriter. If the underwriter sold 80,000 shares, all the 80,000, then underwriter need not to buy even a single share. Okay, I hope you got the whole concept. Now I'm telling you again. There is a company, RIL, issue share to the public, but there is a fear that the company will purchase the share or not. That's why company issue share not directly to the public but to the underwriter. If an underwriter sell this share to public, and if public doesn't buy this share, then underwriter is compelled within a contract to buy this share, and company gave a commission to the underwriter on all the share, not the share which is sold by them, but on all the share, that is 80,000 rupees, 80,000 share. And rate of commission is, in case of shares, the rate of commission is 5%, and in case the rate of commission is 2.5% in case of debenture. Okay, so this is the whole concept, that what the underwriting is and who is the underwriter. The underwriter is a person who sell the share on behalf of the company, and in return he will get the commission, and the commission he got from the company is called underwriter, and the rate of commission is 5% on share, and rate of commission on the debentures is 2.5%. Okay, now the questions arise, why the rate of debenture is low and the rate of selling shares is so much high. It means just double, because the consists lot of risk, and debenture doesn't have that kind of risk which is consisted in the shares. That's why we provide the higher commission on the sale of shares instead of debentures. Okay, I hope you got the concept. Okay, thank you everyone.